All right, guys. CADJPY. Huge move that I ended up missing, and we closed out. I don't know if this was yesterday or I'm gonna say it was. Pretty sure it was. Yeah, we had to close out there. I missed that one. It was a big move. It moved in the direction I wanted it to, but then it proceeded to drop all the way down. Yeah, whatever happens. MACD never was conducive for, wow. You can't really tell on the 1 hour chart. That's why you gotta look at all the charts, man. It's so fucking important. It's so important to really learn to pay attention to these signals that aren't really. This is 20 times more important than you taking some course and just trading a strategy, one strategy. Can you scan the chart and see when something's off? Can you grade that? Can you assess whether you should roll the dice on that trade or not? Are you risk managed at 1% or whatever percentage that you choose? You have clear targets. You know, this type of stuff, man, is next level. For me, I traded for about 10 years, but what you don't know is about 6 of those years, 5 of those years maybe, I was in the dark completely. This is before I took Infinite Prosperity or had any kind of structure, any kind of real understanding of trading a setup. I would look at bars. I would think there's a direction. I studied candlesticks, I think, first, and then I'd go at it, and with no real theory behind it or real reason behind my decisions, no journaling, none of that. And what it resulted in is me catching a lot of L's and not understanding why, or making mistakes, same type of mistakes over and over. And when I won, it was luck because I didn't understand why I won. So don't be that guy. Just avoid that entire phase, please. It's not worth it. It's ridiculous. We're at a key level, it looks like. I don't know if it means anything. We're struggling to get beyond the 200 EMA. Maybe we drop in from here. This is baseline. Maybe we drop from here. A couple exhaustion type of bars. And we'll look for a move down. We'll go ahead and draw in a down arrow. Try to see what happens the next couple days for the week. CHF JPY dropping down. For sure. This is actually really nice. Hard to predict though from here. We close out 349. Good timing on that. Yeah, definitely MACD is in favor of a drop. I'm gonna look for an entry. I'm gonna look for a way to enter. I don't see one yet, but yeah, maybe this next. I got 15 minutes before 4 o'clock. Maybe it prints somewhere around here, and then I'll print a limit order to take advantage for a pivot order. I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I'm still. No, I'm not in this anymore. I got stopped out. Never mind. Probably want to take this down. Especially if we could have been off of the 50. Y'all know I like the 50 nowadays. Yeah, I'll probably look for an opportunity to take this lower. Very, very sideways though. If we're looking at the higher time frames. I think we're going to go lower. I just don't like the fact that this 50 EMA has kind of been cradling price, and we've just been kind of indecisive over the past couple weeks. We'll see. I'll wait. I don't mind. I don't mind waiting. I'm in this. No. It says that I close this at 0.75. Today is the 5th, though. How did I close this at 0.75, Bruh. This is super confusing. Okay. So I'm rolling this. I got this position right here on. I was like, where's this at? It looks like I got out of it before I got stopped all the way out. Yeah, I got out of this before I got stopped all the way out. So this right here is red. This position is still on there. And at this time, I'd probably go ahead and drop this down to make it break even. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Yeah, we're done here. This one, man, I promise I just did this. Red. Okay. It was on this. Let's try it back in there. So I got out of this at night, 4 in the morning, like I did the others. Just looking for an opportunity to double up. Didn't happen. Yeah. I will hold my ground. I'll break even here if we go all the way back up. That's how that's gonna look for me. NZD. Big play off of key level right here. Very nice play off the key level. But we're so overextended, so I'm not gonna trade that. And we're just kind of sideways. I'm looking for a breakthrough or a breakout right there. And that's it, man. That's all the pairs. Longer video than usual. But, you know, there's things that need to be said. Y'all let me know in the comments if you like the longer videos, shorter videos, what you want to see, what you're interested in, what you're not interested in. Whatever you got to say, just hit me up. Let me know. I'm fine with it. Check out Tradingview if you don't already use Tradingview. If you don't have money right now, start with the free charts. And, you know, over time, graduate to these, the Pro Plus charts is what I use. That's what I like. It's like $30 a month, I think. What else? Sign up for my course coming soon, or to get on the waiting list at least. Go sign up for that. That'll be in the description. And maybe take the free Infinite Prosperity courses so you can see a little bit more insight into why I do what I do and the guys who taught me pretty much. Yeah, man, it's all about foundational knowledge. This is it. Chart analysis first over everything else, especially when you're starting out. So I'll catch up with y'all soon. Peace.